Welcome to PM Mastery Lab, where we break down the essentials of project management into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you through the core concepts of project management in just 10 minutes. We'll explore what makes projects succeed, why some fail, and how you can master the process from start to finish. Let's dive in and discover how project management can transform ideas into reality, making your next project a success. Have you ever wondered why some projects, from building airplanes to planning weddings, turn out brilliantly while others fall short? The answer often lies in effective project management. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about how you organize, plan, and execute that idea. In this scene, we'll look at the difference project management makes and why it's the secret ingredient behind successful outcomes across industries and personal endeavors. So what exactly is a project? In simple terms, a project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Unlike routine operations, projects have a clear beginning and end, and they aim to achieve something specific. Think of building a house, developing a mobile app, or launching a new product. Each of these is a project because it's a one-time endeavor with a unique outcome. Projects stand out because they are temporary, have a unique outcome, and are defined by a specific start and end. This means that every project is different even if it seems similar to another. For example, building two houses may follow the same steps, but each will have its own challenges and results. Understanding these characteristics helps you approach each project with the right mindset and tools. Every project is unique because it aims to create something that hasn't existed before. Even if you're repeating a process, the context, team, and goals will always differ. This uniqueness is what makes project management both challenging and rewarding as you adapt to new situations and requirements each time. Unlike ongoing operations, projects are temporary. They have a defined start and finish, which means your focus is on achieving the goal within a set timeframe. This temporary nature requires careful scheduling and resource management to ensure everything is completed on time. A project always has a clear beginning and a clear end. This helps everyone involved understand when the project is considered complete and allows for proper evaluation of results. Setting these boundaries is essential for measuring success and learning from each experience. Project management is the bridge between an idea and its realization. By applying structured processes, you can transform a concept into a finished product or service. This transformation is at the heart of innovation and progress in any field. Planning is the backbone of any successful project. It involves setting clear objectives, outlining steps, and preparing for potential obstacles. A well-thought-out plan provides direction and helps the team stay focused on the end goal. Organizing resources means ensuring that people, materials, and time are used efficiently. This step is crucial for avoiding bottlenecks and making sure the project progresses smoothly. Good organization can make a significant difference in the outcome. Controlling a project involves monitoring progress and making adjustments as needed. This ensures that the project stays on track, within budget, and meets quality standards. Regular check-ins and updates are key to effective control. Many projects fail due to avoidable mistakes. These include unclear objectives, inadequate planning, and poor communication. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can take steps to prevent them and increase your chances of success. Setting clear goals is essential for guiding the team and measuring progress. Without well-defined objectives, it's easy to lose direction and waste resources. Clear goals keep everyone aligned and motivated. Scope changes can derail a project if not managed carefully. It's important to document any changes, assess their impact, and communicate them to the team. Effective scope management keeps the project focused and prevents unnecessary delays. Staying within budget is a major challenge for many projects. Careful estimation, regular tracking, and prompt action when issues arise are key to managing costs effectively. Good budget management ensures resources are used wisely. Effective communication is the glue that holds a project together. Regular updates, clear instructions, and open channels for feedback help prevent misunderstandings and keep everyone on the same page. The initiation phase is all about laying the groundwork. By defining the project's purpose and identifying stakeholders, you ensure that everyone understands the vision and is committed to its success. This phase is critical for building momentum and securing support. Identifying stakeholders means figuring out who will be affected by the project and who has a say in its outcome. Engaging stakeholders early helps build trust and ensures that their needs are considered throughout the project. Before moving forward, it's important to assess whether the project is realistic. This involves looking at available resources, potential risks, and the likelihood of achieving the desired outcome. Feasibility studies help avoid wasted effort and disappointment. Defining the scope means setting boundaries for what the project will and won't include. This clarity helps prevent scope creep and ensures that everyone knows what to expect. A well-defined scope is the foundation for effective planning. A detailed schedule outlines when each task should be completed. This helps coordinate efforts, allocate resources, and track progress. Scheduling tools and techniques are essential for keeping the project on time. Budget estimation involves forecasting the costs of all project activities. Accurate estimates help secure funding and prevent financial surprises. Regularly reviewing the budget ensures that spending stays under control. Every project faces risks from unexpected delays to resource shortages. Identifying risks early allows you to develop strategies for managing them. Risk management is a proactive process that protects the project from setbacks. Resource allocation ensures that the right people and materials are available when needed. Balancing resources across tasks helps avoid bottlenecks and keeps the project moving forward smoothly. During execution, teamwork is essential. Each member brings unique skills to the table, and collaboration ensures that tasks are completed efficiently. The project manager's role is to coordinate efforts and resolve any issues that arise. The project manager monitors progress to ensure that milestones are met and the project stays on track. Regular updates and status meetings help identify issues early and keep everyone aligned. Tracking the schedule and cost is vital for project control. Tools like Gantt charts and budget trackers provide visibility into progress and spending, allowing for timely adjustments when needed. Quality assurance ensures that the project's deliverables meet the required standards. Regular reviews and testing help catch issues early and maintain high standards throughout the project lifecycle. When issues arise, taking corrective action quickly is essential. This might mean reallocating resources, adjusting the schedule, or revising the plan. Proactive problem-solving keeps the project on course. The ultimate goal of any project is to deliver the final product or service. This is the moment when all the team's hard work pays off and stakeholders receive the value they expected. Proper documentation is essential for closing a project. It provides a record of what was done, how it was achieved, and any lessons learned. Good documentation supports future projects and continuous improvement. At the end of each project, it's important to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Capturing lessons learned helps teams grow and avoid repeating mistakes in future projects. Project management adds value by ensuring that projects are completed efficiently, within budget, and to a high standard. It's a discipline that empowers teams to achieve more and deliver better results no matter the industry or project size. A successful project manager needs a diverse set of skills. Leadership is crucial for guiding the team, while communication ensures everyone is on the same page. Problem-solving and risk management help navigate challenges, and decision-making keeps the project moving forward. These skills are the backbone of effective project management. Projects come in all shapes and sizes. From building rockets and constructing bridges to developing smartphones and planning the Olympics, project management is at the heart of every major achievement. Even organizing a wedding is a project that requires careful planning and execution. Project management isn't just about finishing tasks, it's about delivering results faster, reducing costs, improving quality, and achieving business goals. Effective project management can be the difference between a project that thrives and one that struggles. If you're eager to continue your project management journey, PM Mastery Lab is here to help. We offer practical lessons designed to simplify complex concepts and give you the tools you need to succeed. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to master project management.